Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best diary with lock is probably one of the most sought-after gifts for girls aged 8 to 12, offering a perfect blend of fun, creativity, and personal security. In this video, we will review the top-rated diaries with locks, considering factors like durability, design, lock mechanisms, and overall value to help you choose the ideal diary that will inspire your young one's journaling journey and provide a safe space for self-expression. Number 5. Hapinest DIY Journal Set. This complete journaling kit is perfect for young creators. It has everything you need to create a unique and personalized journal. With 70 pages, decorative frames, stickers, and scrapbook pages, it's a comprehensive kit for creative expression. Let your imagination run wild. Ideal for ages 8 to 14, it helps foster creativity and self-expression. It's the perfect gift for teens and tweens. Surprise your child with this fun and functional gift. It's an ideal birthday present or a creative outlet to enhance journaling and scrapbooking skills. Each kit includes 63 pieces, including a tassel charm, ensuring you have everything you need to personalize your scrapbook and diary. No missing parts here. It arrives in attractive packaging, making it a delightful gift to give and receive. It's a thoughtful present for any young creative. What we like. It's a complete journaling kit with everything your child needs to create a personalized journal. If you are looking for a fun and creative gift that encourages self-expression, this is the perfect choice. It comes with 63 pieces, ensuring your child has all the supplies they need to unleash their creativity. What people say. Things to decorate pages is good. This is a great journal kit. My 9-year-old loves all the fun accessories included. She has been scrapbooking with pictures of family and friends. 10-year-old child was extremely excited about all the neat accessories included with this. Number 4. Just My Style Light-Up Diary. It has 40 double-sided lined pages for your stories, secrets, doodles, and more. Let your imagination run wild. Personalize it. Decorate every page with the included stickers. Make it uniquely yours with letters, emojis, and more. Look at this. The heart design on the cover lights up with a push of a button. It's ready to sparkle and shine. This isn't just a notebook, it's a secure diary with a lock and 2 keys. Your secrets are safe inside. You get the light-up diary, 2 keys, a purple pen, a sticker sheet, and an easy guide to get you started. Everything you need for creative fun. What we like. This diary has a fun, light-up cover that will surely excite any child. If you're looking for a diary that's both fun and secure, this is it. The included lock and key will keep your child's secret safe, while the sticker sheet lets them personalize their diary to match their unique style. What people say. Journal quality is great. Color is vibrant. Easy to use. They are perfect for writing, journaling, and drawing. The lock is easy to use. The colors are just as pictured. The light-up function is basically just a multi-spectrum light show that lasts a little while. Diary is nice, functions as you'd expect. Number 3. CAGIE Diary for Girls. This diary with a lock is perfect for keeping your thoughts private. Write down your joys, sorrows, and secrets. It's your safe space. Don't worry about forgetting your password. Instructions are included to help you reset it. Contact us if you need further assistance. It has a 3-digit combination lock with 1,000 possibilities, ensuring your privacy. Your secrets are safe with this lock. The 192 pages are made of high-quality, bleed-proof paper. Enjoy writing without worrying about ink bleeding through. We're committed to your satisfaction. If you have any issues, contact us, and we'll respond within 24 hours. What we like. It boasts a whopping 192 pages of thick, high-quality paper, perfect for avid writers. If you need a diary with lots of space and a secure lock to protect your secrets, this is a great option. The durable paper prevents ink bleed-through, ensuring a smooth writing experience. What people say. The light rainbow design is so pretty and vibrant, it's definitely a standout feature. The lock is a great addition, giving her a sense of privacy and making the journal feel even more special. The size of the journal, 5.7 by 8.5 inches, is just right. It's not too big or too small, making it easy for my daughter to carry around in her backpack or keep on her bedside table. The journal has 192 pages, which provides plenty of space for writing, drawing, or journaling. The quality of the paper is really nice, smooth and sturdy, so it holds up well to different types of pens and markers without bleeding through. The included pen is also a nice touch, and my daughter loves how it writes smoothly on the pages. Number 2. SuperStyle Cat Diary. It's made of a soft, plush material with cute embroidery. Kids will love its fuzzy texture and bright colors. The diary has 64 lined pages, perfect for writing or drawing. The thick, smooth paper makes writing easy and fun. Use it for diaries, secrets, wishes, or even doodles. It's a great way to record memories and spark creativity. Keep your secrets safe with its lock and key. It comes with 2 keys, so you'll always have a backup. It makes a wonderful present for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Kids aged 6 to 12 will adore it. What we like. This diary features a super soft plush cover that's both adorable and comfortable. If you like cute and cuddly things, this is the diary for you. The lock and key add an extra layer of security for your little one's private thoughts. What people say. The soft, fluffy cover feels amazing, and the lock adds a special touch. Besides being pink and fuzzy, which make it such fun in a sensory way because you can smooth and rub the furry cover as you carry it around or as you write in the journal, there is also this sparkly, silver, iridescent heart on the front which seems to shine all the time. It's lovely. Really cute and seemed to be good quality pages to write on. She especially liked that it was up lock and key. Number 1. Mollybee Kids Diary. It features a beautiful unicorn design. The sturdy hardcover will protect your secrets through daily adventures. With 208 lined pages, it offers ample space for all your thoughts, drawings, and doodles. The thick pages make writing a breeze. This is the perfect place to express your imagination. Write about your favorite things, dreams, and wishes. Keeping a diary helps you build confidence and understand your feelings. It's a safe space for self-discovery. It makes a wonderful gift for birthdays or any special occasion. It inspires creativity and will be treasured for years to come. This diary is perfect for children aged 5 and up. It's a fun and functional way to encourage writing and self-expression. What we like. With 208 pages, it offers ample space for writing and drawing. If you are looking for a durable and beautifully designed diary that will inspire creativity, this is a great choice. The unicorn theme will appeal to girls who love magical creatures and fantasy. What people say. The lock is hard to close, the keys are easy to lose. Nicely made and decorative for a little girl. Great gift for my 7 years old. Easy to lock. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.